Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about the calculation of the weight. There is a question, what is the weight of 2.5 kilo of sugar? Many students answer in 2.5 kilo. However, it is incorrect. So we need to understand what's the meaning of the weight. What is 2.5 kilo? What is the relationship between them? Okay, let's start it. The weight in science or engineering, the weight of an object is the force acting on the object due to the gravity. That means if a person got 1200 Newton of his weight, and then he go to the moon, it becoming a 200 Newton because the gravity is different. The units of weight is Newton. So we say weight is something Newton. What is 2.5 kilo? Kilo is a mass. Mass in physics is a property of all matter. If an object mass is 2.5 kilo, it always 2.5 kilo in anywhere. Let's go back to the same example. A person's mass is 120 kilo. If he traveled to the moon, his mass still 120 kilogram. Relationship between the mass and the weight. So we have this formula. F equal m times A. F is a force, m is mass, and A is acceleration gravity. The weight and the force, they're the same. So the weight, we can use the same formula. Going back to this question, what is the weight of 2.5 kilo of sugar? The weight equal to m times A. We can find out in Earth, acceleration of gravity is about 9.8. The 2.5 kilo of sugar is 2.5 times 9.8. It becoming to 24.5 Newton. So that's the weight. Just remember this formula and you can work out the weight and the mass. Thank you.